Na nababaw kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Cakes by Joyce for sending us their products. This vlog, titikman natin ang kanilang mga pinadala. So, meron tayong mga cookies as well as blueberry cheesecake sa mga pinadala nila. And the first one na we're gonna taste, ito yung kanilang Walnut Chocolate Chunk. I mean, look at the size of this. In terms of weight, actually medyo mabigat sila. Tikman na natin. Look at that. Sarap. Grabe ang sarap. Actually, sa mga nut lovers, magugustuhan talaga nila yung walnut natin dito. Aside from the pure chocolate texture, parang may konting ninunguya kapag may added walnuts. Grabe ang sarap nun. So next natin, they actually call this red velvet with cream cheese. This is how it looks like. Ito yung size niya, guys. Wow, let's open it from the bottom para makita natin. Oh yeah, meron nga siyang feeling. Meron siyang feeling actually. And then on top, meron pa rin tayong, I don't know if this is white chocolate, pero let's find out. Wow, this is actually super sugar sinful, pero I think I'm still gonna get into it. Ang sarap, grabe. What kind of cream cheese is that? Ang sarap niya. Yeah, ma'am. In terms of the texture, I think this is softer than our walnut. So last one sa mga cookies, they call this s'mores with Nutella. And this is how it looks like. Break it into two. Wow, you gotta see this, guys. You gotta see this. I know. Nutella lovers, you will surely crave for this one. Hopefully you can see it, guys. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, so let's try it. Marshmallows, yung cookie bread, and then Nutella. Let's try it. Oh, wow. Three very different flavors and taste. If you are into Nutella, go for this one. You're into nuts, go for the walnuts. You're into red velvet plus cream cheese, go for the very set apart yung spectrum nila. Very different taste. If you check out Cakes by Joyce, yung fan page nila, actually may mga gallery sila doon in which they customize cakes for your very special cakes. Now, speaking of cakes, meron tayo ditong blueberry cheesecakes na titikman din natin. Konti lang. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako dun sa mga cookies natin. Gusto kong balikan later on this one, this red velvet. This is the blueberry cheesecake. Again, Cakes by Joyce. They customize cakes according to your needs. Very classic. Super blueberry yung flavor natin. And at the same time, not too sour para dun sa cheesecake. Sarap. Nga pala, they are also available via Shopee order and delivery. They do ship nationwide, guys. Gotta check them out sa Shopee for faster transaction. For a customized cake, make sure to check out the fan page we're gonna be including in this video. Also, the number we're gonna be provided in the caption below. If you are to ask me, sa mga natikman natin, which am I gonna go back? Actually, nagbigay na ako ng idea kanina. This one, I love this. Red velvet plus cream cheese. Napakasarap niya, guys. Super enjoy. Super duper enjoy. Alright, so ayun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to check out Cakes by Joyce. Until our next discovery, we hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye guys.